already seen a tremendous amount of impact here in Barrow. We have these helicopters that are taking off all hours of the day and night. We've got a number of ships that have come up in escort to the drilling rigs. We've got transport of personnel with hundreds of flights occurring every week. We've got an influx of Coast Guard making a presence in the Arctic when their closest station is over 1,000 miles away from this point. And we have no infrastructure to load the barges that are going to have spill response equipment. We talk to them in our meetings about needing to work with our tribal councils to help identify where important areas to stage equipment so that we have a protection for increased animal concentrations for certain birds, or haul out areas for walrus, or feeding grounds for the whales. All of these are so important, but yet the full understanding of it is not well known.